Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost effect in Capcut. First, open the Capcut application and begin a new project. Import the video clip you wish to edit into your project media. Then, drag and drop your chosen video segment onto the main timeline. This foundational step prepares your footage for the exciting transformation into a ghostly apparition. Make sure your clip is trimmed to the desired length for the effect. Now, let's create the ghost's double. Select your main video clip on the timeline and duplicate it. Once duplicated, carefully drag this new copy down to the overlay track, positioning it directly beneath the original clip. It's crucial to align both clips precisely at the same starting point. This ensures that your ghost effect will appear seamlessly, creating a convincing visual illusion for your viewers. With your overlay clip selected, navigate to the opacity setting and reduce it to around 30 to 40%. This makes the overlay semi-transparent, giving it that ghostly appearance. Next, add a fade-out animation to the end of this overlay clip. Experiment with the duration of the fade, perhaps setting it to 1 or 2 seconds, to achieve a smooth, ethereal disappearance that truly sells the ghost effect. Finally, it's time to review your work. Play through the entire video to ensure the ghost effect appears and disappears exactly as you envisioned. You might want to make slight adjustments to the overlay's opacity or the fade animation's duration to perfect the illusion. Once you are completely satisfied with your ghostly creation, export your video in high definition. Share your spooky masterpiece with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.